Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how we can code a tool to generate QR code. So I hope you all will feel good after watching this all videos, and make sure to subscribe, like and share this video, and I hope you will learn something from this video. And make sure, so first of all we will create a folder. So we will add a folder name like a QR code generator. After that, we will go to the folder and we will right click. After the right click, we will see the option of open with code. So it is our VS Code, whether we will code a tool to generate a QR code. So after that, we will click on yes I trust. After that, we will click Control plus N to create new file. So after clicking Control plus N, we have to click Control plus S to save this file. After that, click backspace and add the file name. Just I am adding index.html. So after adding the file name, you need to save. After saving the file, let's start coding the tool, whether we will generate our QR code. So first of all, I'm taking HTML is to 5. In the title section, I'm adding QR generator. So after adding in the QR generator, we need to add the script after the title. So I am adding the CDN link script in your CSS and one build dot. No, I will use the latest version. src equal to, so I will add this QR code generator CDN link, whether it will work much faster. So after adding this script on the body tag, I will add this logic and the add this code. After adding this code and adding this logic, we will able to generate our QR. So so first, after that, our second priority is like UI. So we have to also do the styling for the this HTML structure. Okay. So firstly, we need to check the preview of our QR code generator tool. So it is looking fine. We do not need now to do the styling, extra styling for this code. So I am adding the text now. I am adding my name Kartike Shubham. After adding my name, on click, there is an issue. Let's solve it. So on click button. So button click generate button by generate ID. Generate button. So Let's refresh that, test it. Okay, that is a logic issue. Let me write the JS again for the query. So we need to add the JS query. So after the input, we had added the text input where we added the button. So we need to add the on click function. So on click, it will generate the QR. So on click generate button. So on click. So let's open the file QR code generator. After saving that, let's check it. I'm placing my name here for to generate. There's again an issue. Let's fix it. So the issue is, let me fix that. So it is printing the text. Okay, okay, sure. So we had fixed the issue of our QR code generator. So let's test our QR code generator. Let's open the file, open the browser, adding my name Kartikeya Shubham. Then the QR is generated right now. Let me check where my QR code scanner, QR and barcode scanner, whether it is reflecting my name Kartikeya Shubham. You can see that when I have scanned. So on this video, we will proceed from here. And thanks for watching our video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So thank you guys.